Good morning to all of you. This is P. Raghavendra, lecturer in mathematics, MVS Government Degree College, Mehboob A. Last class we discussed differential equations. Now, differential equations. Last 16/7/2020 topic we discussed differential equation of first order and first degree. In this differential equation first order and first degree we discussed definition of differential equations and examples and types of differential equations, partial differential equations and ordinary differential equation and example. In this we studied order of the differential equation and degree of the differential equation. Similarly we studied linear and non-linear. For solving first order and first degree differential equation we discussed variable separable differential equation. Same in this topic only, solving first order first degree differential equation we studied. Now we are going to study homogeneous differential equation. Now, homogeneous differential equation. A differential equation mdx plus ndy is equal to 0 is said to be homogeneous if it can be put in the form of dy by dx is equal to pi of x comma y by psi of x comma y. This is equation 1, where psi of x comma y and psi of x comma y are homogeneous functions of the same degree, say n. Taking x power n common both from numerator and denominator, from the equation 1 we have dy by dx is equal to x power n into pi of x comma y by x power n into psi of x comma y, that is equal to f of y by x. Equation number 2. Such type of equation can be solved by the substitution y is equal to vx in equation 2 becomes y is equal to vx. Now y is equal to vx y is equal to vx. Now differentiating with respect to x we get dy by dx is equal to v plus x into dv by dx. Solving above equation y is equal to vx we get first we have to differentiate with respect to x, taking v as a first and x is a second. v dot differentiating x we get 1, so we write v plus, taking as x as a separate plus x, differentiating v with respect to x we get x dv by dx is equal to y. Y means we have to do differentiating with respect to x, we get dy by dx. That can be written as v plus x into dv by dx is equal to, here dy by dx above equation 2 we get dy by dx is equal to f of y by x form. So in dy by dx we can replace y f of v is equal to f of y by x. Now taking v as a right hand side, we get to x dv by dx is equal to f of v minus v. Now separating the x variable and v variable, we get to dv by f of f of v minus v, f of v minus v dx by x. The variables have now been separated and the solution is now above equation. For solving the above equation, we have to do integration on both sides, and integrating dv by f of v minus v is equal to integration dx by x. Integration dv by f of v minus v, integration of 1 by x dx, we get log x plus integration constant c. After the integration, v should be replaced by y by x to get the required solution. Okay, in this y v is taken, here y is equal to vx, and substituting v is equal to, we get y by x. Okay, last to get the general solution of the above equation, we have to substitute v in place of v, we have to write y by x. Okay, now we have to go problem. Now problem number 1. Solve x square minus y square dx plus 2x into y dy is equal to 0. Okay, last method we have discussed. First we have to write the above equation in dy by dx. Okay, x square minus y square into dx is equal to minus 2xy dy. That can be written as dy by dx is equal to y square minus x square by 2xy. Similarly, you have to take y is equal to vx. Y is equal to vx. That equation can be differentiating with respect to x. We get to dy by dx is equal to v plus x into dv by dx. In above equation dy by dx, so substitute the value v plus x dv by dx. Okay, now we write v plus x into dv by dx is equal to, here y is equal to vx. So we get where is y in above equation, we have to substitute the y value. We have taken y is equal to vx, substituting y value, y is equal to vx, we get v square into, in y square we have to write y square, v square x square minus x square 2x, in y value vx. Okay, now v plus x dv by dx, taking common as a x square into v square minus 1 by 2v x square. Cancelling x square, we get x dv by dx minus v square minus 1 by 2v minus v. Here minus v is left hand side, v should be written in right hand side. So here positive becomes negative. Okay, now x into dv by dx is equal to, on doing LCM, v square minus 1 minus 2v square by 2v. Calculating, we get x dv by dx is equal to minus v square plus 1 by 2v. On doing variable separable, we get minus 2v by v square plus 1 dv is equal to 1 by x. On taking integration both sides, we get minus integration 2v by v square plus 1 dv is equal to integration 1 by x dx. Okay, on integration, it is a form of integration f dash of x by f of x. we get log f of x. Similarly, we have to write minus log v square plus 1 is equal to log x plus log c. Okay, now write log c is equal to log x plus log v square plus 1. Okay, taking as a log common and right hand side, log c is equal to log into x into v square plus 1. Both sides cancelling log, we get to integration constant c is equal to x into, in v value have to write v is equal to y by x. Here v square means y square by x square. So c is equal to x into y square by x square plus 1. Now c is equal to, taking as a on doing LCM we get to c is equal to x into y square plus x square by x square. On cancelling we get to y square plus x square is equal to x into c. This is a general solution of homogeneous differential equations. Now problem number 2. Solve x cube plus 3 into xy square into dx plus y cube plus 3 x square y dy is equal to 0. It can be written as x cube plus 3xy square dx is equal to minus y cube plus 3x square into y dy. It can be written as dy by dx is equal to minus x cube plus 3xy square by y cube plus 3x square y. So it is in standard form. That can be written putting y is equal to vx and differentiating y is equal to vx with respect to x, we get to dy by dx is equal to v plus x dv by dx. Substituting the above equation in dy by dx, we get to minus x cube plus 3x on y square. Here y is equal to vx, y square means it becomes v square plus x square by here y cube means v cube x cube plus 3x square vx is equal to, in dy by dx we have write v plus x dv by dx, or taking as a x cube as a common, minus x cube 1 plus 3v square by x cube into v cube plus 3v is equal to v plus x dv by dx. On cancelling we get to x is equal to dv by dx is equal to minus 1 plus 3v square by v cube plus 3v minus v. On doing LCM we get minus 1 minus 3v square minus v power 4 minus 3v square by v cube plus 3v. On writing x is equal to dv by dx is equal to minus 6v square plus v power 4 plus 1 by v cube plus 3v. Okay, now separating as a x variable and v variable, we get to v cube by 3v by v cube plus 3v by 6v square plus v power 4 plus 1 into dv is equal to minus 1 by x dx. On taking integration, here left hand side equation we multiply and divide by 4, means we have to write 1 by 4 into integration 4v cube plus 12v by v power 4 plus 6v square plus 1 dv is equal to minus integration 1 by x dx. For getting easy to get the integrating value, I am multiplying and dividing 4 value, means the integration of f dash of x by f of x dx is equal to log f of x. Similarly, this value also become log v power 4 plus 6v square plus 1 is equal to minus 4 log x plus log c. Now log v power 4 plus 6v square plus 1 plus log x power 4 is equal to log c. Taking as a log as a common, we get log x power 4 into v power 4 plus 6v square plus 1 is equal to log c. Cancelling both sides log value, we get x power 4, and here v power 4 value, here v means y by x, v power 4 means y power 4 by x power 4 plus 6, here v square means y square by x square plus 1 is equal to c, and calculating we get y power 4 plus 6x square y square plus x power 4 is equal to c. This is a general solution of homogeneous differential equations. Now problem number 3. x dy by x dy is equal minus y dx, x dy minus y dx is equal to x square plus y square power 1 by 2 dx. Okay, now x dy minus y dx, it can be also written as is equal to under root of x square plus y square. Now x dy is equal to x square plus y square power 1 by 2 dx plus y dx. Taking as a dx as a common on right hand side, we get x dy is equal to y plus x square plus y square power 1 by 2 into dx. Now here dy by dx is equal to, on x variable is taking on a right hand side, in denominator we write this is dy by dx is equal to y by y plus dy by dx is equal to y plus x square plus y square power 1 by 2 by x. Now taking y is equal to vx, differentiating with respect to x, we get y dy by dx is equal to v plus x dv by dx. And substituting dy by dx value, v plus x dv by dx is equal to, in above this equation, substituting the value dy by dx here, v plus x dy by dx, and y is equal to here value, y is equal to here, y is equal to vx, means substituting in above equation, dy by dx plus v plus x dv by dx is equal to, here y is equal to vx, means vx plus x square plus y square, here y is equal to vx, y square means v square plus x square power 1 by 2 by x. Now vx plus x square power 1 by 2 x square power 1 by 2 x square power 1 by 2 vx plus x square power 1 by 2 x square power 1 by 2 is taken as a common, 1 plus v square power 1 by 2. Now x square 1 by 2 under 1 by 2 is cancelled, taking as x as a common, x into v plus 1 plus v square by x, and xx is cancelled. Now v plus x dv by dx is equal to v plus 1 plus v square power 1 by 2. Okay, now v is cancelled, x dv by dx is equal to under root of 1 plus v square. Taking x as a x variable and v as a v variable, now we write 1 by under root of 1 plus v square dv is equal to 1 by x dx, and integrating above value, integration 1 by under root of 1 plus v square dv is equal to integration 1 by x dx. Okay, integration of 1 by under root of 1 plus v square dv becomes log v plus under root of v square plus 1 is equal to integration of 1 by x becomes log x plus log c. Now log x is okay. Now log into here substitute the above v value we get to y by x. Log y by x plus under root of v square means y square by x square plus 1 is equal to log x plus log c becomes log x. Both side cancelling and log we get to y by x plus under root of y square plus x square by x square is equal to xc. Now writing y plus under root of x square plus y square by x is equal to xc. Therefore y plus under root of x square plus y square is equal to x square c. Now problem x square into y minus 2xy square dx is equal to x cube minus 3y into x square dy. Now it can be written as dy by dx is equal to x square into y minus 2x y square x cube minus 3y x square. Now taking let y is equal to vx and differentiating this equation with respect to x, we get to dy by dx is equal to v plus x into dv by dx. Substituting this value in above equation, we get to v plus x dv by dx is equal to x square. In y we have to write vx, x square into vx minus 2x into y square means v square into x square by x cube minus 3y. Here y means vx and x square. Now writing v plus x dv by dx is equal to, taking as a x cube common, we get to x cube into v minus 2v square by x cube into 1 minus 3v. Okay, and cancelling x cube we get to x dv by dx is equal to v minus 2v square by 1 minus 3v. Here left hand side v written in right hand side becomes minus v. On doing LCM, x dv by dx becomes x dv by dx is equal to v minus 2v square minus v plus 3v square by 1 minus 3v. Cancelling vv and we get to x dv by dx is equal to v square by 1 minus 3v. Separating variables, we get 1 minus 3v by v square dv is equal to 1 by x dx. Now integrating above equation, we get to integration 1 minus 3v by v square dv is equal to integration 1 by x dx. On doing integration 1 by v square, separating 1 by v square dv minus 3 integration v by v square dv is equal to 1 by x dx. It is writing as a 1 by v square can be written as v power minus 2 dv minus 3 into integration 1 by v dv is equal to integration 1 by x dx. Now integration of integration of v power minus 2 will become v power minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1 minus 3. Integration of 1 by v becomes log v is equal to integration of 1 by x becomes log x and integration constant log c. Now v power minus 1 by minus 1 minus 3 log v is equal to log xc. Now log above equation will become log v cube plus log xc plus v inverse is equal to 0. Taking as a log common, log v cube xc plus 1 by v is equal to 0. Now it can be, in substituting v value, log y cube by x cube into xc plus 1 by y means y by x is equal to 0. Okay, now log y cube c by x square plus x by y is equal to 0. It can be written as x by y is equal to log x square by c into y cube. Taking as a exponential both sides, we get to e power x by y is equal to exponential log is cancelled x square by c into y cube. It can be written as x square is equal to c into y cube e power x by y. Okay. Now x into dy by dx is equal to y into log y minus log x plus 1. It can be now write dy by dx is equal to y by x into log y by x plus 1. Here log y by x can be written as log y by x plus 1. Okay. Now taking vx is equal to y means y is equal to vx. On differentiating y is equal to vx, we get dy by dx is equal to v plus x into dv by dx. Okay. Now v plus x dv by dx is equal to v into log v plus 1. V plus x dv by dx multiplying v we get v log v plus v. On cancelling both sides v, we get 1 by v log v dv is equal to 1 by x dx. On integrating above equation, integration 1 by v log v dv is equal to integration 1 by x dx. It becomes log of log v. Here for this we have solved. Taking log v as a t and 1 by v dv is equal to, and differentiating 1 by v dv is equal to dt, and 1 by v log v dv is equal to integration 1 by t log t. 1 by v log v dv is equal to log of v. Okay. Log of v is equal to log integration of 1 by x dx becomes log x plus log c. Log of log v is equal to log xc. On cancelling both sides log we get v is equal to xc. V is equal to xc. Here we get log v is equal to xc. Log v is equal to xc, and taking as exponential we get v is equal to e power xc. V is equal to e power xc, and v is equal to y by x is equal to e power xc. Okay. Now last directly we solved homogeneous problems. So now differential equation reducible to homogeneous form. In last two problems we solved directly in homogeneous form. Now given problems not in the form of homogeneous, that can be reduced to homogeneous. For this we have some methods. If the differential equation is of the form dy by dx is equal to ax plus by plus c by a dash x plus b dash y plus c dash, this is equation 1, where a by a dash not equal to b by b dash, it can be reduced to homogeneous differential equation as follows. Put small x is equal to capital X plus small h, small y is equal to capital Y plus k. This is equation number 2, where capital X and capital Y, where capital X and capital Y are new variables and h and k are constants. From the equation 2, now small dx is equal to capital dx, similarly small dy is equal to capital dy. In equation 1 reduced, capital dy by dx is equal to a into capital X plus h plus b into capital Y plus k by c by a dash capital X plus h plus b dash capital Y plus k plus c dash. This can be written as a capital X plus capital Y plus ah plus bk plus c by a dash capital X plus b dash capital Y plus a dash h plus b dash k plus c dash. This is equation number 3. In order to have equation 3 has homogeneous, dy by dx in above equation 3 it is in a homogeneous equation, differential equation. Choose h and k such that solving the h and k value ah plus bk plus c is equal to 0, a dash h plus b dash k plus c is equal to 0. On solving we get here h and k values. Now substituting the h and k values above equation 3, we get dy by dx is equal to ax plus capital Y by a dash x plus capital b dash y. This is equation number 5, which is homogeneous differential equation. And similarly last problems we have solved directly in homogeneous. Similarly we have to substitute capital Y is equal to Vx. Here capital dy by dx is there, so we are taking capital Y is equal to Vx. Now to solve the problem. Okay, given problem, solve dy by dx is equal to x minus y plus 3 by 2x minus 2y plus 5. Okay, it can be, now have to write dy by dx is equal to dy by dx is equal to x minus y plus 3 by 2x minus 2y plus 5. Okay, now dy by dx is equal to x minus y plus 3, taking 2 as a common, 2 into x minus y plus 5. Now here taking x minus y is equal to v, x minus y is equal to v. On differentiating with respect to x, we get to 1 minus dy by dx is equal to dv by dx. Here we get to dy by dx is equal to 1 minus dv by dx. Substituting this dy by dx is equal to 1 minus dv by dx, this equation we get dv by 1 minus dv by dx is equal to v plus 3 by 2v plus 5. Okay, dv by now it becomes dv by dx is equal to 1 minus v plus 3 by 2v plus 5. Now dv by dx on doing LCM 2v plus 5 minus v minus 3 by 2v plus 5. Now it becomes dv by dx is equal to v plus 2 by 2v plus 5. 2v plus 5. This dv by dx is equal to v plus 2 by 2v plus 5. On separating variables we get 2v plus 5 by v plus 2 dv is equal to dx. 2 into it can be written as 2 into v plus 2 by v plus 2 plus 1 by v plus 2 into dv is equal to dx. On cancelling this and this, cancelling 2 dv plus 1 by v plus 2 dv is equal to integration dx. On integration of 2 dv becomes 2v, and integration of 1 by v plus 2 log v plus 2 is equal to integration of dx becomes x, and integration constant as c. And substituting v is equal to here taken v is equal to x minus v. On substituting in v, if v place we get to 2 into x minus y plus log x minus y plus 2 is equal to x plus c. On multiplying taking inside 2x minus 2y minus x plus log x minus y plus 2 is equal to c. 2x minus x becomes x minus 2y plus log x minus y plus 2 is equal to c. This becomes x minus 2y log x minus y plus 2 is equal to c. Okay, now problem number. Solve 2x plus y minus 3 dy is equal to x plus 2y minus 3 dx. This is also directly not in the form of homogeneous. It can be reduced to homogeneous differential equation. Now it can be solved. It is not in the direct homogeneous form. Now on reducing to homogeneous form we can solve this problem. Okay, 2x plus y minus 3 dy is equal to x plus 2y minus 3 dx. Now it can be written as dy by dx is equal to x plus 2y minus 3 by 2x plus y minus 3. Taking as a small x is equal to capital X plus h. Similarly, small y is equal to capital Y plus k. Small dx is equal to capital Dx. Small dy is equal to capital Dy. Small dy by dx is equal to capital dy by dx. This becomes capital dy by dx is equal to capital X plus h plus 2 into capital Y plus 2k minus 3 by 2 capital X plus 2h plus capital Y plus k minus 3. It can be written as capital dy by dx is equal to capital X plus 2 capital Y plus h plus 2k minus 3 by 2 capital X plus Y plus 2h plus k minus 3. On solving this we get the values of h and k value. Here h value is 1, k value is 1. On substituting above equation, we get dy by dx is equal to x plus 2y by 2 capital X plus capital Y. Now capital Y is equal to Vx. On differentiating with respect to x, this becomes capital dy by dx is equal to capital V plus x into dv by dx. So on substituting this equation, here this equation dy by dx value in this equation, it becomes v plus x dv by dx is equal to x. Here y value on substituting x plus 2vx by 2x plus vx, on writing v plus x dv by dx and taking as x as a common on right hand side, 1 plus 2v by 2 plus v. Now capital X dv by dx, taking v into right hand side, it becomes 1 plus 2v by 2 plus v minus v. It can be written as x dv by dx is equal to 1 plus 2v minus 2v minus v square by 2 plus v. On doing calculation, it becomes x dv by dx is equal to 1 minus v square by 2 plus v. Now separating variables, 2 plus v by 1 minus v square dv is equal to 1 by x dx. On integrating we get 2 into integration 1 by 1 minus v square dv plus, on doing multiplying and dividing 1 2, we get minus 1 by 2 minus 2v by minus 1 by v square dv is equal to integration 1 by x dx. On doing integration, we get 2 into integration of 1 by v square becomes 1 by 2 log 1 plus v by 1 minus v, and minus 1 by 2, it is in the form of integration f of x, like that. F dash of x by f of x, like this. Minus 1 by 2 log 1 minus v square is equal to integration of 1 by x log x plus log c. 2 is cancelled. Log 1 plus v minus 1 by v is equal to 1 by 2 log 1 minus v square plus log xc. Now log 1 plus v by 1 minus v is equal to log under root of 1 plus v 1 minus v plus log xc. Now log mod of 1 plus v 1 minus v is equal to log under root of 1 plus v 1 minus v into xc. Cancelling both sides log, it becomes 1 plus v 1 minus v whole square is equal to 1 plus v 1 minus v xc. On cancelling, we get 1 plus v is equal to 1 minus v whole cube x square c square. Now putting v value in above equation, we get 1 plus y by x is equal to 1 minus y by x whole cube x square c square. Now calculating, it becomes capital X plus y by x is equal to capital X minus y whole cube by x cube x square into c square. It can be written as capital X plus y is equal to capital X minus y whole cube c square. On putting capital X value and capital Y value, we get small x minus y, small x minus 1 plus small y minus 1 is equal to x minus 1 minus y plus 1 whole cube c square. And calculating, we get x minus 1 plus y minus 1 is equal to x minus y whole cube c square. This is a general solution of above differential equation. Now solve 2x minus y plus 1 dx is equal to 2x minus y plus 1 dx plus 2y minus x minus 1 dy is equal to 0. Okay, now we have to write the above equation like this: dy by dx plus 2x minus y plus 1 by 2y minus x minus 1 is equal to 0. Now it can be written as dy by dx is equal to minus 2x minus y plus 1 by minus x plus 2y minus 1. Now putting small x is equal to capital X plus h, capital Y, small y is equal to capital Y plus x, y plus k, small dy by dx is equal to capital dy by dx. Capital dy by dx, substituting the above this small x value, small y value and small dy by dx value in the above equation, we get capital dy by dx is equal to minus 2 x plus capital X plus h plus y plus k minus 1 minus capital X plus h plus 2 into capital Y plus k minus 1. dy by dx is equal to minus 2x minus 2h plus y plus k minus 1 by minus capital X minus h plus capital 2 into y plus 2k minus 1. On doing capital dy by dx minus 2x plus y plus minus 2h plus k minus 1 by minus x plus 2y plus minus h plus 2k minus 1. On doing this and calculating this value, we get h is equal to minus 1 by 3 and k is equal to 1 by 3. Now substituting above equation, we get capital dy by dx is equal to minus 2x plus y by minus x plus 2y. Here it is a homogeneous differential equation. Now substituting capital Y is equal to Vx, differentiating y is equal to Vx with respect to x, it becomes capital dy by dx is equal to v plus x into dv by dx. Now substituting in dy by dx, capital dy by dx place, we get v plus capital X into dv by dx is equal to minus 2x plus vx by minus x plus 2vx. Now it becomes v plus capital X dv by dx is equal to v minus 2 by 2v minus 1. Now we write x dv by dx is equal to v minus 2 by 2v minus 1 minus v. Now x dv by dx, on doing LCM, v minus 2 minus 2v square minus v by 2v minus 1. On solving, we get capital Y by x minus y square by x square minus 1 into x square is equal to c square. Capital X by xy minus y square minus x square is equal to c square. Substituting capital X and capital Y values, we get to x square plus y square, small x square plus y square minus xy plus x minus y is equal to c.